Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you the last resort method you can try to recover a Facebook account that has been suspended for 180 days. So the process is straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. All right, before we start, it's absolutely crucial that we are clear about this situation. A 180-day suspension. It's typically Facebook's final decision after the review period has ended, and it often means the account has been permanently disabled. So the method that I'm about to show you is a last chance effort and has a very low success rate. Success is not guaranteed, but if you have tried every single option and nothing worked, try this particular guide and see if it works for you. But please keep your expectations realistic as we go through these simple steps. So our first method involves sending a direct message through a Facebook form hidden in the Help Center. Let me show you how to get to that. So what you have to do is simply open a browser on your phone or computer and search for Facebook Help Center. After you search for Facebook Help Center, simply click on that link. Now, after opening the Facebook Help Center, all you have to do is just tap on the search bar at the top. And over here, just simply type, "My personal account was disabled." Now, click on the article that says, "My personal Facebook account was disabled." Wait for a few seconds. Now, you can read through the article if you like, but what we need to do is scroll all the way to the very bottom and find a particular question, which is, was this helpful? Over here, click on No, and then when asked for more details, simply select the option that says the solution doesn't work, and then click on Next. So now a text box will appear, and this is your chance to state your case. Be polite and clear. You can write something like, for example, just simply copy and paste this prompt. You can write, "Hello, my Facebook account," then mention your account name or username was disabled, and I believe this was a mistake. I have not violated any community standards, so can you review my case again? And after that, you can also add a section where they can contact you, like "you can reach me at," and then enter your email address. So just simply write this short message, and then all you have to do is click on Submit, and then the ticket will be submitted. Make sure to enter your correct username or Facebook name and your correct email address where you want them to contact you. Now, the most direct method, and the one that sometimes works, is to confirm your identity by submitting a photo of a government-issued ID. So simply open your web browser and search for Confirm Your Identity with Facebook. Then click on the official Facebook link. Then this will take you to a secure form. You'll be asked to upload a picture of a government-issued ID, like your driver's license or a passport. And this is extremely important. The name on your ID must match the name on your Facebook account. If it doesn't, this method will not work. So take a clear, well-lit photo of your ID, making sure all four corners are visible. Upload the photo using the upload option right over here, which is Choose File. If you click on it, you'll be able to upload a photo. And then once you've uploaded that, just click on the Send option. Then the Facebook team will review it. If they can verify your identity and find the suspension was an error, this is the best chance at getting your account back. So that's it. Now you know the final steps you can take to try to recover your suspended Facebook account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.